please open your materials and look at this lesson, problem and solution essay. Topic is about CDs. It's on page from 73, 74. Okay. As student, you are supposed to do all the exercises, but the important exercise would be exercise 1. You need to read 3 views. Please complete this table. You can use it as a tool to prepare idea, to take notes, so that you can generate idea, organize your idea for your writing. Okay, so please find the word operations in the article. You can learn many useful synonyms, and also you will learn which one should be used in writing. And exercise 5, the notes, exercise 5. And this is the article that will help you to complete the previous exercises. Collocation, excellent. Collocation will help you a lot in English, in your competence in using English, in speaking and in writing. Therefore, please do exercise 1. Write in full in your notebook. Okay? Don't just make note on your material. Write full in your notebook. And exercise 2. This one helps you to learn more about accuracy in grammar. Therefore, you are supposed to do exercise 1. Yes, it's also for IELTS writing. Exercise 1. Exercise 2 will help you to review the use of singular and plural. What phrases should be used in singular? What phrases should be used in plural? And this one, remember, there are 12 mistakes. This exercise helps you to improve the editing skills. When you go home, please study the writing task here and the sample writing. You should learn the different expressions that I highlight here. Okay. Remember to use example. You should have example in your writing. You should learn some expression to indicate solution. You should learn the verb for discussing the expected result or effect. Here, the transition signal. This one helps you to indicate solution or suggestion. You can see the use of transition signal. But to say this one also to support the writing, it can function as example. This one you should also learn to signal the discussion of solution. Transition signal for concluding paragraph. Okay. Word building. This one helps you to improve the accuracy in your writing. Please complete exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1. Exercise 2. Exercise 4. So please complete the text here. Exercise 3 on this page. Complete these collocations. Okay, this one is important. Please mark it in your writing. And you should also study exam skills. Okay, make sure that in your next practice you should use that to say in other words. This because the reason is means us to describe facts. Okay, it's so useful for you in writing essay. And also you learn the transition signal for result, let's say as a result, as a consequence, therefore. All right. And now this is your practice exercise 3. Practice. It's a skill 2. In my lecture, I already mentioned the use of the second conditional. Therefore, you should pay much attention to the grammar. Please do exercise 1. Then that's all. And of course, the last one, checks and challenge. This one will help you to revise all of the skills that we have learned in this lesson. So please complete this one. You have any other questions? Goodbye, class.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.